Hello, if you're watching this video, that means you survived the New Year holiday. Hope you had fun and you enjoy your time. Hope you will have a very good memories about the time that you spend on New Year. And we're starting the New Year with the good trades that we had, and that brings us 110% of return. And we had the three trades. I don't want to take much of your time, so let's just start. The first one is the AVE and USDT. As we can see on the chart, there is a strong resistance level and the price came to it few times on the history, and it touched it few times, and with the last touch we can see there is a pullback, but it's not so strong. So the price come here again, and now I'm expecting that this resistance level will get broke. So I'm opening long here and expecting to take something like 1%, a bit less than 1% here. So yes, I'm expecting the level to get broke here, so I'm going long on it. And I already put a grids. I divided my position by pieces, so it will close by portions. And I put my stop loss as well. Stop loss is a bit big, yes, because we are taking a bit high risk here on this trade, because all the time when you're expecting to break out, you might have a fake breakout as well. So this is the reason why I'm having a bit higher stop loss. And at the same time, my risk reward is 3 to 1. If my loss is around like 0.3%, yeah, I'm expecting to get around 0.8 0.9% from this trade, or at least 0.6. So even with the 0.6, we're gonna have a proper risk reward ratio here. While I'm waiting the trade, I'm just looking at the other pairs. So like, like I'm looking for the interesting situation, so I can open the trade on the other positions as well. I mean, on the other instruments as well. All the time before you starting your trade sessions, just take a look at the instruments that looks interesting for you and that you think that you might trade them. So or you can use the instrument on the trading view. You can see on the side here. I'm just marking the instruments that I'm planning to work. So the only thing left is just scroll it, search the one that interesting, search the one that the price comes to the point where you need it. Yes, this is it. Yeah, all the trades today was a bit boring. The price was not giving a high move or high volatile move, high volatility move right after I'm opening my trade. But so I was waiting. I was waiting actually all the trades for a bit, like it's around 10 minutes each trade was, I guess, something like that. Yeah, but for you I will just like move it with the faster. I will just fast the video, so you will not get bored while watching on the trades. And the price coming close to our first portion, to our first lot that we put it. And yes, and the price takes it, so we closed small percentage of our position. So in case if the price will go to other direction, well, we're not gonna be on the loss. And let's see what's gonna happen with the rest of the trades. But here, as we see, the price like made a small pullback from the upper support level, and it closed us with the stop loss, but still we're getting our like 30% of the profit. My next trade was on the ZRX and USDT. As we see on the chart, we have a good upward movements, and the price came to a good uptrend movements, and the price came a support level of the uptrend. And I'm expecting a pullback from this price, because the price just dropped to that level. So I don't think that with this huge movements without consolidation on it, so it can break it. So I'm taking long here, and my stop loss is right after this fake breakout. As you see that I marked this rectangle, so right after it, because we might have a fake breakout as well one more time before we changing the direction of the price. It might see that it's a bit far for my stop loss, but to be sure that the price will not take my stop loss and just change the direction to upward without me, so I don't want to miss that trend, so I'm putting a bit higher stop loss. But anyway, like even with the high stop loss, I'm expecting to get a good price movement here. While we're waiting the trade to finish, I want to talk with you. I want to ask you why you are not leaving comments for me. Are you so lazy to do it? Because it's not a fair. I'm making you videos almost every day. I'm spending my time and you are not leaving comments for me. I think it's not fair. So let's change the situation. Tell me, for example, what are you expecting from the Bitcoin of the year of 2022? Tell me, what is your expectation price? What do you think going to be the price of Bitcoin, let's say at the end of the year? Maybe you think that we're going to drop to a 10,000, because I heard on the internet someone is just randomly saying that the price might drop to a $17,000, or maybe you're expecting that the price will hit 100,000 and we'll feel ourselves like good. Yep, you know what I mean. So write me on a comment, what is your expectation of the price of the Bitcoin price for the end of the year? And while we're talking, we're already up to a 0.6%, and this around like 30 something percent to our deposit. I'm putting a grip of the price, so I will close it by portions. I don't want to miss these good movements of the price. And I already put my stop loss to a non-loss position. Yes, here we go. The price takes my last order, and we close it with the profit, and we're taking actually I will put it on my preview, all the screens that I had with the positions, so you can see it. And our last trade for today was on the GTC USDT, sorry. Yep, I'm expecting the price to break the support level, because the price already touched the support level like 3-4 times, and on a higher time frame this is a good support level as well. And on a higher time frame we came to this level like few times, so I'm expecting a good breakout here, and I'm taking short position. But yeah, I opened position a bit early, so but I didn't open with the whole amount of my deposit, so just small amount in case if we'll have a small pullback I can add it. I can add liquidity to my position. So yes, I'm expecting a breakout for around, maybe like I'm planning to take a 1% movement of the price. That could be around 50% to our deposit. As you know, we are trading with a 50x leverage, and I want you to remind guys that 50x leverage is a very risky. While you're trading on the futures, you might blow your deposit so fast, so easily. So always, like, I want you to be careful while you're trading on the futures. Futures itself is very risky, but using it with the 50x leverage, it becomes like super risky. So just be careful. No need to rush. You always anyway, if you're watching my videos, you will be satisfied with the return that you might have while you're going to trade by yourself. Just watch my videos and get the knowledge that I'm sharing with you, and all this knowledge is for free. I'm not charging anything. The only thing that I'm asking you just to leave a comments and put a like for my videos. Let's see what we're going to have here, and this is it. Let's just take a look at the price movement. Oh, here we go. This is what I was saying to you. We already make a one big movements with the one candle, and this is what is the scalping is. We're already up to around 40% to our deposit, and I'm closing with the portions. I already closed the one piece of my position, and I put a grid of the price. So this is a moment what I was waiting. This is how the breakout looks like. So yeah, this is a great order price for my last for my last portions of positions, and I'm just waiting when the price will touch it, or I will close it with the stop loss. But anyway, I'm expecting that the price will touch my grids because I put it in a good places. I'm not too greedy. I'm planning to take around 1% movement, which is around 50% to our deposit. So we're cool. And the price is taking one more piece of my position, and there is only small amount left on this position, and go and we go this the price just takes all my position. This is how the price movement looked like when we closed the position, when the price closed all our position. And this is a breakout what I was waiting. And this was the last trade for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you spend your time very good. I still wish you all the wealth.